Good morning, children. Let's do the revision for half-yearly examination. Children, we have already done the revision of the lesson soil and lesson bird and lesson solid, liquids and gases. One lesson is left, that is what and how animals eat. Lesson number 1. You all know multiple choice question will come, means tick the correct option type question will come, and you have to read the each and every line of the lesson. Let's do the revision of our lesson, what and how animals eat. I'm going to share the screen where you will see the book pages. Okay, children, you know we all need food to live, grow, na? And we eat different types of food. Just like us, animals, on the basis of the food they eat, they are divided into three main groups. And why do animals need food? Animals need food to work and stay healthy. Okay? But we get the energy from the food we eat. And the different types of animals eat different types of food. Some animals eat only plant. They are called herbivores. The examples are deer, elephant, giraffe. Okay. And some animals eat the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores like lion, tiger, wolf. They have special type of teeth for their eating different types of food. And some animals who eat both plant and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. If an exam, the question will come, which of the following is a herbivore? Cow, lion, tiger. Then what you will take? Of course, cow. Okay, children? Just like that, questions can come in any type. And what are omnivores? And animals that eat both plant and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. And what are the examples of omnivores? We, the human beings, rat, and the what are other bear. Okay. Yes. Here are the some book exercises which you have already done. What do carnivores eat? Plant or flesh of other animals? Of course, you will take on the flesh of other animals. And what are elephants and cow? They are carnivores, herbivores or omnivores? They are herbivores because they eat the plant and plant product. What do we call an animal that eats both plant and flesh of other animal? They are called omnivores. You have already done, children. And the different animals have different types of eating style also. Some animals swallow the food. Swallow means they eat the complete food without using the teeth. And some of the animals, they eat by different methods. They eat they first eat the food very fast, and after some time they brought back the food from the stomach for the further chewing. This is called cut. Who uses this method of chewing the cud? Cow, buffalo, goat, horse, okay? And camels, they use this method. And what is the prey? And animals that hunted or killed by another animal for food. And children, how cat and dog eat? They eat by the method of what? They use their tongue again and again. The method is called lapping. This is a picture of another method. A frog. A frog uses its long and sticky tongue to catch its prey. How it does? It shoots its tongue out and trap the insect. And then it rolls its tongues and bring back into the mouth and swallow the prey. Okay, means it's what method it's used? Swallowing the food. Okay, and who use the method of eating? Lapping the food. Lapping the food means using the tongue. Cat and dog. Yes. Children, animals that eat grass and leaves have sharp and broad front teeth. What type of teeth they have? They have broad front teeth. And how rabbits eat, beta? Is gnaw the feet, food or tear at its food? No, no means using sharp front teeth quickly. If in exam, this type of questions will come, you can easily take the rabbits gnaw at their food. Okay. And dash. Dash uses his sticky tongue to catch its prey. Who uses his sticky tongue? Just now we have seen a frog. Na? Yes. Children, in the exam, this picture can be given and can be asked who it's who. And then what you will answer? That and herbivores eat the grass and the herbivores are further eaten by the carnivores. ग्रास कौन खाता है? डियर खाता है. और डियर को कौन खाता है? लैंड. And what is grass? Grass is a plant product, and it is eaten by the deer. That is a herbivore. And the further the herbivores are in turn eaten by the carnivores. They are land. If this picture will come, you can identify the sequence and you can take the correct option. It may be written that carnivores eat the herbivores. That is wrong, na? You can find out the correct statement and you will take on that. Yes, of course you can do. Come, what we have read in this lesson? All animals need food. Why do animals need food? Animals need food to grow and stay healthy. Different animals eat different types of food. Herbivores eat only plants. Carnivores eat only the flesh of other animals. They have a special type of teeth. Omnivores eat both plant and flesh of other animals. And children, different animals eat their food in different ways. They have their own different styles of eating. Some animals cut and chew their food. Some animals tear the food. Carnivores tear the flesh, na? Some animals cut and swallow the food. The frog swallow the food, na? And rabbit also. And some animals swallow their food whole. And what is food chain? A food chain shows how plants and animals get their food. And a food chain always starts from the plant. Because a plant is eaten by some herbivore animal and herbivore animal is eaten by the carnivore animal. In such a sequence, they make the food chain. These are the book exercises you have already done. Let's revise. What are the following animals? Which of the following animal is a carnivore? Dog. Which of these is an omnivore? Bear. Which of the following animals sucks food? Cat. No. What method use cat? Cat uses the lapping method. Na? Lapping. And who sucks its food? Mosquito. Yes. And who swallows the food? Snake and frog. Which of these starts a food chain? Always a plant start a food chain. You all can do this, na? Or true or false? Carnivores eat only plant. False. They eat only the flesh of other animals. A snake swallows its prey whole. It's true. A frog sucks its food. It is false. Who uses this method? Mosquito. It sucks blood. And the butterfly. It sucks the flower's nectar. Come to the nectar means flower juice. Circle the odd one out. Tiger, wolf, cow and lion. Which one is odd one? Cow. Why? Because these are carnivore and cow is herbivore. Deer, lion, goat and sheep. Here the lion is odd one out. Why? Because these three are herbivore and lion is a carnivore. Now bear, crow, human being and dog. These are omnivores and dog is carnivores. Come to these worksheets you have already done, but let's revise. Animals can live without food? It is false. They cannot live. Herbivore eat only plants? Yes, it's true. An elephant gnaws at their food. It is false. Who gnaws their food? No, what is the meaning of gnaws matlab? Using sharp front teeth quickly. Rabbit, na? And a squirrel gnaws their food. Lizards swallow their food whole. Yes, you all have seen this. Lizard आप wall पे देखते हो वो क्या खाती है? Insect को just swallow कर लेती है ना? A food chain always starts with plant. Yes, it is true. Now match the following. Butterfly, it sucks the nectar, na? An elephant uses its trunk, अपने trunk के help से pulls the leaves of the branches and eat. And leech, how leech eat, beta? It sucks the blood. It lives on the body of the other animals, na? And how earthworm eat? Earthworm swallows the soil. Na? How earthworm you will match with swallows the soil and lives in soil. Cats and dog lap milk with their tongue, na? If a picture will come, a cat lapping, your cat is eating food, you can identify the method lapping? Yes. Cow chews the cud. If it will come, take the correct option. Who chews the cud? You can take that cow. Yes. Number the pictures in the correct order to make a food chain. Yes, of course, grass will come on number 1 and grass is eaten by this. Rabbit, it will come on number 2 and number 3, this fox. You can do this, na? Here you can see a plant is eaten by an herbivore and this herbivore is eaten by the carnivore. Come to the next worksheet. Which of these is a carnivore? Human being, cow, tiger. Of course, tiger. What does an elephant use to pull leaves and branches? Tongue. Yes, right. Which of these has a sticky tongue? Frog. Which of these should be fed on oil seeds and cake? Buffalo. Now, who eats only plant? You can write another example. Cow. You can write the another. Take the another example. So what will be given in the curriculum? Swallow, swan. Earthworm. Nuck, nectar. Nectar. Sucks nectar. Butterfly. Sucks blood. Mosquito. You have to rearrange. It chews the cud. In exam, this will not come. This will be not given. Only you have to take the correct option. It chews cud. Goat. It gives us milk. Buffalo. It carries load for us. Horse. Okay. Come to the third one. This is the another. What do animals need to grow? Yes, children. Animals need food to grow. And which of the following is an omnivore? Crow, tiger, dog. Crow. Animals that give us milk should be fed on grass and oil seeds. Yes, squirrels and rabbits have gnawing teeth. Yes, true. Crows and bears lap milk. False. Who lap milk? Cat and dog. Butterfly swallows its food. It is false. Huh? I hope you all can do this here. Huh? These are very easy also. Just children, you are preparing the all 4 lessons. Now we have prepared the lesson what and how animals eat. A picture can be given. You have to identify what type of method it is. Huh? And then you will take on the correct option. A food chain picture can be given. And you can to identify the right one. You can identify easily. Huh? And the another is soil. Soil lesson you all have done, na? Yes, very well we have done. There are 3 types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil. And which soil is good for growing plant? Loamy soil. And what is another name of loamy soil? It is garden soil. You all have done. And you have done the book exercises also, na? Yes, you all have done this book exercises also, na? Yes, children, I am asking some question. I am broken into pieces to form soil. क्या चीज pieces में टूट के soil बनाता है? Rock. I am The soil mostly found on the river bank, sandy soil. Children, if you are going in on your holidays to visit the Goa sea beach, is there na? It is where Goa is there, situated on the seashore, and the Rajasthan you are going. What type of soil you will find there? You have visited many place. वहाँ पे आप खूब घूमे, खूब सारी चीजें देखे. अब बताओ वहाँ पे soil कौन सा होगा? Of course, sandy soil, na? These are the, because in Rajasthan there is desert and the sandy soil is mostly present on it. And soil that is mix of sand and clay. Sand और clay दोनों मिला होता है तो इसको क्या कहते हैं? Loamy soil. And it gives a dark color to the soil. Who is this? Is humus. Now the stones that settle at the bottom of the soil, that is gravel. It settles at the bottom. Now you have seen, na? I know you can do all these type of questions. And solid liquid gases we have already done. If the picture of melting, evaporation or freezing will be given, you can identify what method is there. If now come to the lesson bird. And in lesson bird, if the picture of any type of nest is given, you can identify. Yes, of course you can identify. This is a weaver bird nest. This is a tailor bird nest. This is a cup-shaped nest. What things are required? Why do birds make nest? Bird nests make nest to lay their eggs and keep them safe. You can do. Yes, children. And I can find that you can do. Now give the examples of two scratching birds. Hen and peacock, they scratch in the ground to find their food. I can see that you can do all these type of questions. Why a birds can fly? Because birds have hollow bone, boat-shaped body and fewer number of bone. ये 3 things होते हैं तभी birds fly कर देते हैं. Children, if in a question 3 alternates will be given, you find out all 3 alternates. Suppose you have to find out the most correct alternate कि कौन सबसे सही है. सेकंड वाला भी सही हो सकता है लेकिन थर्ड वाला उससे ज्यादा ट्रू हो सकता है. All points will be given. Then you will put on the tick on the third one, not on the 2 one, because the all things are present on the third one. So read each and every alternate. जो तीनों आंसर्स दिए हैं उनको ध्यान से पढ़ के तब आप जो है वो करोगे. I can see that you can do all the. Which bird use stones and pebbles? कौन सी birds अपना nest बनाने के stones and pebbles use करती है? Penguin. Why? क्योंकि ये icy place में रहती है, वहां तो plant होता नहीं है, तो अपने stones को collect करके और वहां पे अपना nest बनाती है. Okay, children. Now, I hope you all can do the exam, all questions very easily. All the best for your half yearly examination. Read each and every questions, read the lesson, and whatever the worksheet I have provided, you will get in the e-content. In which chapter? Half yearly revision and worksheet. I have given the chapter name worksheet, where you will find, go to the document. In the document, these all worksheets are present. You read the worksheets also, read the lesson, and you can easily solve all the questions. As I have told you, they're okay. Some questions will be of 1 mark and some will be of 2 marks. Easily you can do. Now children, bye-bye. All the best for your half-yearly examination. Bye-bye children. Meet you soon in the next class.